Some players compete for the World Cup. Your flyaways compete with your hairstyle. Let's put them in position with this styling hair wax. Welcome back to the World Cup Formula, the series where every ingredient represents a country that qualified for the World Cup, and together we are creating unique hair products. We are kicking things off with shea butter from Ghana. This is going to give our styling hair wax softness and flexibility. Next up is beeswax from England. Now, I've got a question for you. When it comes to hair products with wax, you prefer beeswax or vegan wax alternatives? Now, it's time to bring back a familiar player. It feels like we've reached the knockout stages of this series because this oil has another appearance. Inside this bottle are herbs representing countries from across the World Cup. We've got Canada, Morocco, Turkey, Germany, Argentina, Portugal, Spain, all working together in one herbal infusion. Now we are adding argan oil from Morocco, lightweight, nourishing, and perfect for helping smooth the hair without making it feel heavy. And here is one of my favorite ingredients in today's formula, broccoli seed oil from Germany. If you have never heard of it before, broccoli seed oil is one of nature's best alternatives to silicone. It helps add shine and sleep without coating the hair with synthetic silicones, which is one of the reasons why I love using it. Everything is in a beaker. Now, let's melt everything together. Have you ever spent ages styling your hair? Finally got it look exactly how you want it, then 5 minutes later you look in the mirror and there is that one little section sticking straight up. You smooth it down and it pops back up. You smooth it down again and it pops back up. It can be very annoying if you are in a rush because you just wanted them to follow a simple instruction, but they refuse to do it. And it's not always because your hair isn't healthy. Sometimes they're simply new hair growing in. Sometimes they're caused by humidity, friction from your clothes, or just the way your hair naturally behaves. This is why I formulated this styling hair wax. This wax creates a low to medium hold without appearing unnaturally shiny. In case I haven't mentioned, and you have missed the previous episodes of this series, don't worry. I created a playlist so you can catch up after this one. Now, let's see how all these ingredients meld together. The ingredients are now all melted, so now we need to let it cool down slightly before adding the heat-sensitive ingredients. While we wait, let's talk about hair wax. A lot of people think styling wax is only for creating sleek hairstyles, but that's only one way to use it. You can use a small amount to smooth flyaways around your parting, tame the little hairs around your hairline, or help keep twists and braids looking neat for longer. The key is using just a tiny amount. With wax, a little really does go a long way. I also wanted this formula to feel nourishing rather than heavy, which is why I chose ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, and broccoli seed oil. Instead of leaving the hair feeling stiff, the goal is to give you control while still letting your hair look and feel like, well, your hair. Now it's time to add the heat-sensitive ingredients. First up is the ecosilk from Belgium. Ecosilk is a natural alternative to synthetic silicones. This ingredient helps improve the feel of the product, improves spreadability, and gives the hair a smooth and sleek finish. It's one of those ingredients that works quietly in the background, but you definitely notice the difference when it's there. Next, comes vitamin E oil, which is our antioxidant. Its main job here is to slow down rancidity of the oils, keeping the product fresher for longer. And finally, we are adding peppermint essential oil from France. Besides giving the wax a fresh scent, it leaves behind that cooling feeling that makes using the product feel even more refreshing. Now, all that's left is to give everything one final stir, pour it into the container and let it set. One more product added to the team, with every ingredient representing a country that qualified for the World Cup. If you've been following this series from the beginning, thank you so much. I would love to know which product has been your favorite so far. I'll go first. My favorite product is the World Cup hair oil, because from that hair oil I was able to make the hair grease and this styling hair wax. And if you have not been following from the beginning, don't worry, you can go and catch up on the previous episode after this video. This is our finished World Cup formula styling hair wax. Don't forget to use a stick bottle. I didn't have any, that's why I used this container, but please use a stick container. I'll see you in the next episode of the World Cup formula. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.